Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. It is 1st of June 2020 and this is class 6 science with the topic water cycle. Today we will study about water cycle and we will study about how water is replenished on the earth. The water cycle, which describes how water evaporates from the surface of the earth, rises into the atmosphere, cools and condenses into rain or snow in clouds, and falls again to the surface as precipitation. We all know about this. When we talk about water cycle, the water cycle, it describes that where the water which is present on the earth's surface, it gets evaporated from the surface of the earth, and this water rises into the atmosphere where there is this cools down due to the low temperature and condenses into rain, snow, and clouds, and falls again to the surface as precipitation. This is all about water cycle. You all know the water from the earth's surface, it gets evaporated by the heating of by sunlight or by the sunlight. It gets evaporated up into the atmosphere. When it gets evaporated, it goes into the state of gaseous form and it goes up into the atmosphere. In the atmosphere there is very low temperature. Then in the atmosphere it cools down by the process of condensation, and it is coming back to the earth in the form of precipitation, that may be rain, snowing, etc. This is all about water cycle, and we have read about this water cycle today. The water cycle is very essential. It is very important for us because the cycle starts when water on the surface of the earth evaporates, and then the water collects as water vapor in the sky, and then the water in the clouds gets cooled down and then falls from the sky as rain, snow, sleet, or hail. This water sinks into the surface and collects into the lakes, oceans, and aquifers, and in this way this is replenished on the earth's surface. When we talk about this water cycle, which is very important for all life on the earth, and all life is possible because of this water cycle, and this water cycle is very important to all life on earth for many reasons, because all living organisms require water, and the water cycle describes the process of how water moves through the planet. The plants wouldn't grow without precipitation, and thus anything consuming the plants wouldn't survive, and so forth. So when we talk about this water cycle, it's important to know that life is impossible only when there is water cycle. The water cycle which replenishes our fresh water system, or the water system, or the waterways, which is essential for all living beings. Thank you very much.